everyone, so today we are doing a very exciting video. In this video, we are going to be trying crochet clothing. Don't even get me started on how obsessed I am, okay? I feel like there's two types of crochet clothing. There's the boho style, very beachy vibe. I mean, I love that. But this colorful, crazy, rainbow flower style, I'm obsessed extra. And that's more what we're gonna be trying today. Colorful. I love color. I always say I love color whilst wearing a muted shirt with a white background and everyone's like, what? I'm like, I swear I do. I really do. Next studio I get will be rainbow, I swear. It's actually so strange because I feel like I ordered these pieces so long ago that I don't remember where I got them. I know one was a brand that I saw on Instagram. I'll put it here. And then the other was a singular person selling on Etsy, and I'll put that here. I bought the crochet pieces from these places, but it has slipped my mind now, but here they are. But yeah, I'm really excited to dive into these bags because the sooner I dive into them, the sooner I can wear them, permitting that the weather stops dipping to -2. That would be great, because then I could wear these out. I have a few of them open. You can see just a preview of the beauty that is these crochet pieces. Now, I will say, crochet clothes are a little bit more expensive because someone is like hand crocheting it. I watched my brother's girlfriend crochet these little squares to make a blanket, and oh my goodness, it looked so time consuming. I totally understand why it is so pricey to buy these because I just imagine they take so long, and the toll it takes on your wrists. As a fellow carpal tunnel person, I couldn't even imagine. It would be so painful. But I mean, I love it. I admire the craftsmanship. I think they are beautiful. I haven't even tried them on. This is just solely off of the pictures. I think I better keep my mouth shut until I see the pieces. So let's dive in and try this on. I feel like I did not get any info out in that intro. Crochet clothing is it all the rage? I'm not sure. I've been seeing it a lot though. 5 years ago, I wouldn't have seen it this much, I feel like. So is it making a comeback? Is it popping right now? Probably. So of course, naturally I want to try it. Plus it catches my eye. So let's just dive in. I'm gonna stop trying to explain. Okay, this is in a 3-piece set. We have a hat, a skirt, and a top. Oh my gosh. I'm obsessed. This is so adorable. Oh my goodness. I love this purple color with all of these beautiful, colorful, crocheted little flowers on here. I'm obsessed with this. One thing I've always noticed though about knit and crochet is they have little holes through them. So do you have to wear something underneath, or do you just accept the fact you're probably going to be flashing people if they look too closely? I don't know. I'll definitely be wearing a My Nude bandeau underneath just so that we can keep this PG. But yeah, here's this. The brand is, oh, is this the brand? Fluffy? I don't know. Okay, here is the top. It's pretty straight across on the top, and then it has these chunky tank top sleeves. Would these be chunky? They're like a thicker sleeve is what I'm trying to say. This feels very well made. Well done. Although it still feels handmade, which I love. And then to go with that, the same exact pattern, we have this mini skirt with a little slit at the bottom and also a waistband lace-up piece, which I really appreciate because I feel like that will be good for making it fit. Obviously. It's like a little belt woven into the skirt. I love that. I don't know why I'm so obsessed with that. I just really like it. For some reason, I was a little concerned that it wouldn't fit, but now with that, I feel like I have some security there. Again, this looks really good. I almost feel like, would these serve better as like a beach cover-up because they have the holes? They sort of look like a beach cover-up I've seen my mom wear. She definitely has a white full dress beach cover-up made out of this fabric. Not as loud, not as bright. I'm obsessed with this. If Coachella ever happens again, I feel like this would fit in. But now, a 3-piece set, what could the third, oh wait, no, I already told you. Okay, it's a hat, which, oh my goodness. This is so cute. I'm sorry, I don't want to say cute 1,000 times, but how else do you describe this? This is adorable. And I mean, like, making these little flowers That is not an easy job. These look so difficult. I'm sure you probably get the hang of it, but it's time consuming and it's well done, and I appreciate this hat. It is so cute. And the nice thing about these pieces is you don't have to wear them all together. You can wear them separately and you're protected from the sun. I mean, come on. Let's put it on all together. Oh my goodness. If I wasn't obsessed just looking at it, now having it on, I feel like if you took a picture and then made it grainy, and if I was in a field, it may look like I was in the 70s. This is giving me such a 70s vibe. I don't know if it's because it's crochet and those two intertwine to me, but this, I don't know. I mean, look at it. I love it. Okay, not only is it a really easy fit, it's also so comfortable. It just feels like it's draping on me. It doesn't even really feel like I have clothes on. It just feels like I have something, like a blanket set on me or something, if that even makes any sense. I also have the hat. I wanted to show it without the hat first. As you can see, the top is very, very cropped. That's the only thing. It shows a lot of the tum. I kind of would have liked this to be a little bit longer. But I mean, I get the vibe for sure. I think this would be a great outfit in a photo shoot, a beach cover up. I love it. And then here's the hat. So cute. Here's the complete look. Who is she? We don't know her. Looking so put together. I might just have to find somewhere to go so I can get a picture in this. And I was a little bit concerned about the sheerness of it or the little holes, but it doesn't seem to be too much of a problem. I have bright blue underwear on and I don't think you can even tell. Maybe a little bit right there, but not too bad. Oh my goodness, look at it. I look like a baby. But no, this is amazing. Totally worth the money. I love it. Looks just like the pictures. It enticed me and it's keeping me enticed. I love this. Okay, now weirdly enough, I'm pretty sure this is from the other seller, but they have the same pink packaging. I think that's just a coincidence because I don't think these are related, but rainbow drops on this page. Thank you so much for supporting my small crochet business. Hope you love your new custom crochet set, cardigan, and hat. Tag or send any pictures on Instagram. Love, Grace. That's so cute. Yeah, so this is a different brand than those ones. So as you can see, it's purple, it's pink. I'm pretty sure I saw this on Instagram and I fell in love. I rushed to the Etsy shop to pick it up, and then when I ordered it, they handmade it. I mean, come on. A little scrunchie, what the heck? This just fell out. That's so cute. A little scrunchie. I'm going to be so put together. Oh my goodness, I wish I had the talent to make one of these. I feel like a future video has to be me trying to make a crochet sweater. This is so well done. It's so soft and beautiful. I love the colors. There are these little hearts crocheted in there. This is a cardigan. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. I wish Easter wouldn't have came and went. I feel like this is a perfect Easter cardigan. I feel like it's a must-have. Okay, and then the little hat. This reminds me of hats that babies wear. And I'm a giant baby. I don't know if it's just my crimps, but my hair just feels like it's complementing all the hats. This is a different style than the other crochet hat too. This one totally reminds me in a good way. The hats babies wear, and I mean, babies wear the comfiest clothes, as they should. They're babies, but like, we could do it too. We could. We are. I am. Okay, and then there is this tank top. This is so adorable. There's ruffles on the bottom. It is the same purple threading that is on the cardigan. These are gonna look so adorable together. And then with that, there is these shorts. They're shorts. Oh my gosh, I'm so obsessed. Plus, you know, this is kind of nice because these ones don't really have big holes through them, so I don't think this is going to be X-rated at all. It seems crocheted a little bit tighter, if that makes sense. You couldn't really see through that. So we've got the tank top, the shorts, the cardigan, the hat, and the scrunchie. Oh, I just scratched my table. I don't know if you heard that, but it sounded like nails on a chalkboard. The hat. That's gross. Gotta bite it off. Okay, so this is basically a 5-piece set. Let's put this all on and see how it looks. I cannot wait about this. I cannot wait about it. Whatever that sentence means, let's put it on. Oh my gosh. I mean, does it get any cuter than this. This is such an adorable hobby to have as well. Also, I have the scrunchie in. I have all of the pieces on, except the hat, but I will put this on. I just want to say, crocheting is an adorable hobby. Initially, when I thought of crocheting, I always thought of my grandma, but this is a whole new spin on crocheting, and I'm so happy that it's popular and it's getting the attention it deserves, because this is so much hard work. Seriously, I want to be friends with who made this. Seriously, you're amazing. This is so well done. You are so talented. I'm obsessed. I wish I had your talent, 100%. And also, it's so comfortable and it's such a statement. I feel straight out of a dollhouse with all my teddy bears. I'm just obsessed. And then here's the little hat. I mean, come on. Come on, people. Are you kidding me? I don't know what else to say. There are so many reasons why I love this. I don't know where to wear it. That's the only problem that I do kind of have. I don't know where to wear it because I hate when people look at me. And I feel like this would get a lot of attention. I mean, for good reason, it's beautiful, but I don't know if I want that attention. Okay, and last outfit is from the same brand that purple set with the flowers on it that we first tried on. It is the same brand. Oh, this looks like the same style. Did I get the same style? Oh wait, no. Ooh, okay. The skirt is the exact same style. It's a mini skirt with a little slit here. It's this beautiful green color with all of these crocheted, different colored hearts all over. It also has the tie-up again. This is so well made, so beautiful. I literally cannot wait to wear these. So excited. I feel like I'm gonna wear them as beach cover-ups. Can't wait for the weird tan with all the little crochet holes. And then to go with that, a little bit different than the last one, it's a long-sleeved cardigan. Also could be worn as a top, I think, because it has this little tie-up in the front. This is kind of a different fabric, or I mean yarn or string. I don't know what you would yarn, I think. It's a little bit more coarse, but not in an uncomfortable way, just in a stronger way. And this one definitely has less holes to it. Just to show you a comparison, here's the purple one, and then here's the green one. You can probably tell what I'm saying. This looks more like a cover-up, whereas this one looks more like real clothes, if anyone's concerned about that. I feel like I don't have anything this emeraldy dark green, so I'm very excited about it. I love the hearts on it. I feel like this top would look adorable with regular flared jeans. I mean, you could wear it all as a set or just take these pieces, and they're such statements. And then same as that purple set, we have a hat. This is adorable. This is so eye-catching. If I wore this out, do you know how many looks I would get? And if you had a green swimsuit on with this little hat, I mean, I won't do that because that's simply too put together, but that would be adorable. I suggest. Okay, but let's throw this set on. Okay, here is this set on. I'm not gonna do any wide spreading of the arms movements because I could flash you. I probably should put a bandeau on under here just because this fully opens up. Excuse me, sorry, I will censor that. But if I do limited movement, I feel like it will stay closed and stay PG. So here is this same skirt as the first one. I will say though, just like I was saying, the threading is a lot tighter on this one, so there is no way that you can see through it, which is nice to not have to be concerned about that, in all honesty. I mean, I love the hearts, how bright they are, how much they pop. I also love the build of it. I mean, of course I like the skirt, but I really like the top too. I feel like wearing the top with regular pants would be really adorable too. Have the hat, the must-have hats. It's so cute. Every crochet outfit is completed with a cute little hat. I don't exactly know where I would wear this set to, but I'm definitely going to find something to wear it to. Once COVID is done, this will be on the top of my priority list. Where can I wear the green crochet outfit? These outfits have been so adorable. Seriously, crochet outfits are my new obsession. I'm obsessed! Okay, that was a cuteness overload. I am obsessed with these pieces. What is it is it serotonin that your body lets out when you're excited or happy? Oh yeah, it's the happiness. I definitely felt that. These pieces made me genuinely so happy to look at them and wear them. I feel like they exude happiness. to see this. Why do these make me feel so happy? I'm not sure, but it's a good feeling, and I'm gonna chase that. I'm gonna chase that. I'm gonna spend my entire life savings on crochet pieces. Okay, for real though, these pieces were so beautiful. They are so beautiful. They look just like the pictures online. I definitely think they're worth the money. I mean, they're handmade, they're small businesses, definitely worth supporting, and the pieces are really great quality, and they feel awesome, they look awesome, and they made me feel great. So that's a pretty good review, I think. Please let me know down below which set was your all-time favorite. I know we only tried 3, so if you want to see more crochet hauls in the future, let me know down below some brands or some pieces that you want to see, and I will definitely get to that. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!